2017 megavolts Agusta F3 675 RC and F3 800 are the EICMA stalls next month. Most probably that motorcycle is an all-new 4-cylinder Brutal which is set to come. However, in India operations are going well too. MV Agusta has been rolling out motorcycles one after the other. The plans that they discussed last year have been coming to light in a phased manner. After launching the MV Agusta Brutal 1090 and F4R, the motorcycle that they have now opened bookings for is the all-new is the 1090RR and F4RR. However, today international news suggests that there is more exotic and erotic material set to come to India soon, presenting the new 2017 MV Agusta F3 675 RC and F3 800 RC. Don't get excited though. The changes are cosmetic this time. However, it is still jaw-droppingly well executed and the racing heritage pumped in it makes it nevertheless awesome machine.